Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Again, please disregard my kitchen. This is my canning mat. So, for right now, anyway, it's my canning dishcloth. It's got tomato sauce over it. But, just wanted to come on here really quickly while these pop, hopefully. Yeah, there's still a couple that didn't pop. Wanted to catch this so you guys can hear it. This is the sauce. Well, some of the jars of the sauce that I made yesterday with my KitchenAid. I cooked it down. There they go. Cooked it down. Actually, I cooked it down all night. And I had that whole pot full, and it was half full this morning. Nice and thick. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that great? But I wanted to catch the popping. I think there's only one more jar that needs to pop, and I think it's that one right there. So today I'm going to be doing some more tomatoes, some more salsa, running out to the store real quick, get another water bath canner. And what do you guys think about giving away a water bath canner for the 7,000 subscriber giveaway? Let me know in the comments below. And the word of the day today is going to be water bath canner. So there's going to be lots more videos coming, you guys, but I want to know your opinion. What do you think I should give away? I think a water bath canner is pretty good. Yeah? So I think I might do that. I mean, you know, if you guys want to win one, just let me know. And again, if anybody needs lids, I have lids. I have a way to get lids that guaranteed me they're going to be getting cases and cases and cases in, and they're ball. They're all authentic. They're real ball lids. These are not, obviously, but I will show you the lids that I used. I used some of them yesterday, and they're the SureTight lids. They're the brand new SureTight lids. So they're on my quart jars, and they are working beautifully. They all popped super, super quickly. This one's going to give me problems today, huh? So this is a combination of mainstay lids and golden harvest lids. Never had a problem with either one of them. I water bath and pressure can with each of them, and they are perfectly fine. Mainstays are Walmart brands, so if you get like the Anchor Hawking, I believe those are mainstay lids. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that they are. If you can get the Anchor Hawking jars. I have also found jars at Smart and Final. For those of you who have Smart and Final or Cash and Carry, they're the same place. They have there it goes. They have First Street jars with their own lids. I asked what the lids were. They had no idea. So I didn't get any, but I do I have a Smart and Final shop? Let's see. I think I have one more Smart and Final mystery shop to do this week. I have a bunch of mystery shops, you guys. But I am going to 2 stores today, later on this afternoon, so I'm going to look for jars and lids and pick up some more as I can. And the lids I can ship out, there it goes. The lids I can ship out very easily. I'm finding them, they're $4.99, so $5, and then shipping, depending on how much you guys want, how many lids. Kind of want to limit it to like 4 to 6 each so that everybody can get some. I've already sent some out, some more are going out today. Just email me. If I don't get to my email right away, just email me again. Let me know in the comments that you emailed me so I can look at it, because I've been super, super busy getting all these prizes out. And in between canning, so gonna get some more of those out today, and hopefully I will see you guys later. I'm gonna show you the tomatoes really quickly. Okay, so here we go. There are 14 quarts so far of tomatoes. These are the whole Romas. They look beautiful, and yes, I put some basil in these. My husband did a whole batch. I'm really proud of him. And so there's basil in all of these jars, and there's also basil and garlic in the sauce I just showed you guys. After it was done, I put them directly in the jars. Excuse me. So yeah, we've got lots of tomatoes and lots more to do. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm going to be making salsa today and stewed tomatoes, and then canning a lot more whole Romas too. And maybe quarter Romas. We'll see. Because I'm going to be using a lot of them for sauce. So there we go. There's some there. There's some in pots on the floor. There's some in boxes outside. Tomato mania here, you guys. So, okay. So, word of the day, water bath canner, and let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe. Please like and comment and share this video. Please hit that thumbs up, you guys. It really helps my channel to get out there to other people and to grow. We are growing really quickly. So excited. So excited. So 7,000 subscriber giveaway will be at the end of September. And I've already got some things on mind. I'm trying to find bigger items that I can ship you guys from a store or from Amazon that I won't have to pay for shipping. So it'll be super easy. And I won't have to package it or anything. It'll come right from the store or right from Amazon. So that's what I do with the books that I ship out to you guys. Oh, we just had a 4.0 earthquake come across. Okay, I get earthquake alerts, you guys, because I'm in California. I gotta look that up. 4.0 is pretty big. Okay. So, I will see you guys later. Have a great day, and stay tuned for more.